we gon' all shine, we gon' all shine, we gon' all shine.
Today we gonna be installing this red button, boy. I've been wanting one of these red buttons. Match the interior, you know what I'm saying? Get it right. But we're gonna be pinning it up in here. Cause that black one, it just don't look right. As you can see, bam, get those together. See them? Yeah, those good. A little whoop. Yeah, yeah. Well, let me focus on that. Yeah, there we go. See that? See that one? Yeah, it's gonna be a good improvement. Feel me? Okay. All right, we're gonna start by removing this dash first. Then I'm gonna see if I can wiggle my fingers or something behind it before I get to grabbing my tools and stuff. And I'll put my seat all the way down. So, all right. That was simple. See these little red tabs? You gotta be careful when you pull them out. Make sure you don't break none of them. You know what I'm saying? Got all little red tabs in there. Make sure ain't none of them break off or nothing. We all good. Yeah. Yeah. We all good. Fence came out with it. Perfect. Ugh. Alright. Y'all see that? Each one of those gotta pop up out of these here tabs, whatnot. See that? Get all of that out of there. But yeah, we can be popping that off. Cause it keep blurring out, y'all. Alright. Yeah. They look good. You get one of these buttons from anywhere. Old SRT. I think you get them out of a 300C, a Charger. All of them, they all swappable. So look into that. You can order it straight from Mopai. I found this on eBay for about 30 bucks. Alright, so I'm gonna get back there and then I'm gonna pop these little tabs. 1, 2, 3. It's simple. So I'm gonna cut the call for a minute. Should be good, but I'm gonna pop them out. Let me see if I can get back there. Damn, it's that simple. That simple. Out of there. Placement one. A new one. That simple. Alright, so unplug this. Should be all good. Usually, if you ordered it from Mopai or something like that, this don't come with it. But you know what I'm saying, mine came with it. So it's all good. Look at that. They look good. Yeah. It should pop up. So looking at everything, it should just pop right, clip right in. Trying to see. I think I like this. I'm gonna switch these out too. The chrome pieces. think we're good. Alright, plug it back in. Make sure your button's straight. Let me see if there's any little tabs or something. Alright. So it's only it's a flat surface right here. Yeah. So I'm just plug these in. Then you see this flat surface? Right there, it's flat. And then this is flat. Just so you won't mess up. Yeah. We all good, just like that. Now I gotta pop the little whoop back on there, and shit, should be good. You know, a little cosmetic sign, I say. Simple as that. With the old and the new. I think the button look good. What y'all think? Leave a comment below. Gotta give it a little wipe down, but it's all good. Yeah. Alright. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe. And catch y'all later.